These meals are user-friendly. Feel free to look up your own recipes and see what you already have in your pantry. Semi-homemade items can help you save time and money. Happy No Spend Week! Cajun honey buttered salmon paired with some easy sides cost 62% less than when we bought it from a restaurant. Smoked turkey neck sat in the slow cooker, which gives me time to do other things while it cooks. Paired with easy kale and roasted potatoes, delish. You can also use turkey legs or wings. Baked turkey breast with green beans and squash with onions was easy peasy. Eating out, this meal cost us right over $50. Eating in, I spent only $16. Honey mustard chicken with broccoli and sweet potatoes may have been my favorite weekly meal. I used chicken legs, but you can feel free to use whatever meat you like. I had leftovers. Angel hair pasta with organic sauce is an ideal fast meal. I purchased the organic sauce from the store, and for the salad, I only used lettuce and tomatoes. That helped me save some money, but it still tasted good with the dressing from my pantry. Rotisserie chicken is one item that I purchased from my grocer's deli. I purchased it the day that I wanted to serve it. I would recommend purchasing it the day before or the day of, no sooner. Doing it this way, I still saved 54% of what I would have spent in a restaurant. Roast beef was a small purchase. I cooked it in the slow cooker and it was so tender. We even had leftovers because this is such a heavy meal that we didn't require eating so much at one time. We had lunch for the next day. And who can leave off dessert? Simple dessert options that you can either buy store bought or prepare at home yourself are easy peasy and delicious. You don't have to go without dessert on this meal plan. I hope you enjoyed my 7-day options. During my no spend month, I went from spending $397 eating out to only $109 with occasional leftovers. Hey, I'm happy.